Have you ever wondered what really is gravity? Often we mistake this term for gravitational force, a concept brought to light by the renowned Isaac Newton. But do these two terms truly mean the same thing? Consider this. Do we use the terms magnet and magnetic force interchangeably, or electric force and electricity? The answer is a resounding no. In the case of a magnet, it's the object that generates the magnetic force. Similarly, electricity is the entity that produces electric force. These forces are subject to limitations. For instance, the larger the magnet, the stronger the force it exerts. Yet there are objects that remain unaffected by this magnetic field. Take stainless steel, for example. Despite being a metal, it won't react to a magnet, regardless of the magnet's size. On the other hand, iron, another metal, responds instantly to a magnetic field, irrespective of the size of the magnet. When considering forces, be they magnetic or electric, we can always pinpoint the object responsible for creating that force. But when it comes to gravitational force, the story changes. There's no definitive source we can attribute this force to. While one might argue that it's the Earth's core that emits this force, a question arises. Why does the force remain constant even if we make our way closer to the Earth's center by digging a deep hole? Moreover, the core of the Earth, composed of magma, occasionally surfaces as lava. Yet this lava never attracts any objects to itself. Intriguing, isn't it? What's even more fascinating is that gravitational force applies uniformly to all objects, regardless of their composition, whether they're made of plastic, metal, rocks, or even if they're living creatures like humans or ants. This enigmatic force keeps everything anchored to the Earth's surface. Anything that ascends will invariably descend. To me, gravity is a phenomenon that nudges us to contemplate the existence of a higher power, or God Almighty. Here's a thought-provoking scenario. What if this gravitational force were to suddenly cease? The Earth would likely expel everything buried within it, from the deceased to the bedrock of mountains. In my perspective, on the day of reckoning, this gravitational force will vanish. As a result, mountains will float like clouds. This idea of mountains drifting like dust, wool, or clouds is mentioned nearly 10 times in Islamic scripture. The prospect of imagining mountains billowing like clouds sends chills down my spine. Does it have the same effect on you?